Hello, assalamualaikum guys. Today I want to tell my unforgettable memories in my life for the last project of English lectures. So yeah, let's just get started. Actually, there are so many things that I can forget in my life, such as when I just entered this campus. There are so many memories that I can forget, like I meet a new friends with a lot of backgrounds and they all was unique and kind too. That's why I can forget it because it was the first time I met them. But yeah, I will tell you one of my unforgettable memories. I know it's not really that sad, but I just can't forget it because they are so memorable for me. The memories that I can forget is when I joined extracurricular at my high school called Jurmat. You can find it on Instagram too. Basically, Jurmat is a club about journalism. Our job was to document school events and capture what was happening at school. It all started when I 10th grade, when my best friend was told me to join that extracurricular. At that time, I had no desire to join, but I don't know why. For some reason, I end up joining Jurmat, and everything just happened. I met a lot of new people on there, and surprisingly, there were only three boys in the club. Two of them was my seniors, and the one is my friends from another class. At the time, I felt really awkward for real. I still remember at my first day, everyone was talking about theater, and I was confused because I just arrived. Why people talking about the theater? Then I asked what was happening, and they excitedly said, "Oh, we're going to perform a theater show." I was really surprised, especially because at the same time they really need a boy's talent for the performance. Maybe I came at the wrong time, I think. The theater performance was for Teacher's Day and the theme was about studying in the classroom. In the end, I just followed the instructions. I got the role. I was the naughty kid who made my teachers angry. That's when I realized why they all so much need boy talent for the performance. The performance they just came, well performed, everything went smoothly. And from that show, I officially became a new member of the Jurma. For the meeting, we meet every Friday after school, and since this club is essentially about journalism, I learned so many things like photography, videography, and then copywriting. Sometimes we got acting, and many more lah. A lot happened while I was in Jurmat, like documenting school events and sometimes participating in competitions. I remember we competed several times to represent my high school, and most of the time we didn't get much, but one day we finally won. We won second place in the competition video edukasi penanggulangan bencana at the 2024 Fesdigana event organized by BPBD Daerah Jakarta. Oh yeah, I stay in Jurmat until 12th grade. After the organization changed, I was chosen as the Wakil Kepala Koordinator Kreatif. My job was helping coordinate members and creating ideas for our social media content. Maybe this is because I always had so many ideas. That's why they choose me. Actually, there are still so many stories I want to share, but if I tell everything, it might take a long time. For me, Jurmat is something I will never forget. The activities of my friends and my mentor, they're all the part of one of the best moments in my high school life. I will never forget my mentor in the club, Mr. Adam, my previous mentor, Mr. Faki, and all of my friends, both seniors and juniors. I'm really grateful for all of them. Arsyad, Tisa, Kanazula, Pranova, Jadul, and my best friend all at once, my partner, Sherlita. She was my classmate in 10th grade. Then in 11th grade, we end up in different class. She went to the IPA major and I went to the IPS major. During my time at Jurmat, I spent a lot of time with her. She was the head of the club at the time, and because some of other pengurus in the OSIS organization, Shelita always relied me for some help. She is someone I truly admire. She is beautiful, she is smart, responsible, and always works hard. Besides her, I am also very proud of my junior. He was also my partner, Jadul. He was very responsible when I gave him a task, and he was also humorist guy. That's why I became close to him. Well, yeah, maybe that's all I can share. Sometimes I feel like I want to go back to that time again, but no matter what, it's all over. The memories and lessons I got from Jurmat are still with me until this day, and if the people from Jurmat watches this video, I just want to say thank you so much for all the experiences. I will never forget you all. Never. Thank you so much for watching. That's all for me. Yeah, thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Goodbye guys.